Should you wait or replace your furnace? Most homeowners ask this question because they're trying to be responsible. Their furnace is still running, the house is warm, nothing feels urgent. Waiting feels like the safe choice. Replacing early feels risky, and that instinct makes sense. If something is still working, replacing it can feel unnecessary. It can feel like acting too soon, like you might be wasting money. But here's the part most homeowners aren't told. Waiting isn't a neutral choice. It's a trade-off. Furnaces don't fail on a neat schedule. They don't wait for a convenient time. They usually fail when they're working the hardest. The coldest days, peak demand. The moments when options are limited and time matters most. When a furnace fails in those moments, decisions change, choices shrink, timelines compress, stress replaces planning. What felt like patience quietly turns into pressure. And here's the missing part of the conversation. Replacing sooner isn't only about avoiding a breakdown. You don't just reduce risk, you get to enjoy better comfort for longer. That's the part most homeowners never hear. When you replace on your terms, you don't just avoid a problem. You gain something. Quieter operation, more even temperatures, a home that feels comfortable room to room. Less worry every time the weather turns cold, and you actually get to live with those benefits. Not someday, now. This is where the idea of too early gets misunderstood. Too early usually just means the old furnace still worked. Too late usually means the decision was forced. When homeowners look back, they rarely regret the system they chose. They regret when they had to choose. They say things like, "I wish I'd done this sooner. I didn't realize how much better it could feel. I didn't know how stressed I was about it until it was gone." Waiting feels safe because nothing is wrong yet. But waiting slowly spends your options. Replacing earlier doesn't mean rushing, it means planning. Planning lets you decide on your timeline. Planning lets you choose without pressure. Planning turns a forced decision into a voluntary one. So the real question isn't, should I wait or replace? The real question is, when does planning actually start? In the next video, we'll talk about what planning really looks like, without pressure, without urgency, and without being told what you should buy.